to Money Explained Simple, the place where we talk about money.
Here we go.
Your financial education starts now. Most people do this wrong. They pay bills first. Then spend whatever is left. That's why you never have anything left. Today, I show you the exact order that changes everything. Starting today. This is education, not advice. Always match these steps to your own situation. Pay yourself first. To 20% straight to savings investments. Before anything else. If you wait, it will never happen. Automate it so you don't even see it. Cover true needs only. Rent. Utilities, food, transport, nothing extra. No upgrades. No new things yet. Kill expensive debt first. Credit cards, loans over 7% interest. Attack these fast. Every dollar here saves you more later. Build your small buffer. Even $50 a month into an emergency fund, stops you borrowing when life hits. Enjoy what's left. Now you can spend freely. Guilt-free. Because you already secured your future. $2,000 per month. $300 future. $1,100 needs. $300 debt. $100 buffer. $200 fun. Simple. Safe. No stress. Try this on your next payday. Tell me, what's the first thing you usually pay? Subscribe for your free budget template. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe to Money Explained Simple. See you in the next video.